friend, welcome back to my channel Tech Double Three Way. This is Vijay Kumar. In the previous lesson, we have to learn how to get radio button selected value in Aura Lightning component, where I display the selected radio button value on change event in Lightning Aura component Salesforce. In this lesson, we will be see an example of how to display an image from a static resource in Aura component. First, I will create Aura component, name it a static resource CMP. After that, I will upload the zip file on a static resource in Salesforce. Then I will displaying the image from a static resource of zip file in Aura component. Here also will be display the image directly from a static resource URL in Aura component Salesforce. So let's jump to my Salesforce org. So here first I will upload the image into the static resource. So go to the setup and here you will be find quick find. So find static resource. This is the static resource. Click here. Here I will upload the static resource zip file image and we will upload directly image. So I will display the image in Aura Lightning component from both way. Here I am uploading the image into the static resource. So I have some images. So there are 4 images in my system. First 2 image I will upload as a zip file and last two image will upload directly in static resource. So let's create my zip file. Select 2 image, right click, and there is a option to create a zip file. So here compress to zip file, click here. My zip file has been created. Now I am changing the name. So static resource Salesforce image. This is the name of the zip, and these 2 files I will be upload directly in a static resource. So first I am creating on the new. Write the name of the static resource file. My zip file name is Salesforce image. So I am writing this one. Here to option to select your zip file. So go to the desktop my image in this folder and selecting this zip file. Then here change private to public and save. So I uploaded the zip file in a static resource. Now I am creating another one. Click new. Write the name of the file. So here I am putting the name Salesforce image 3. Here I am uploading directly image, not a zip. So I will display in Aura component of a static resource image from 2 way. From first I will display from zip file. Second I will be display from directly image. So I can insert one record. So here I upload one image. Now I am uploading another one image. Click new. Here are the name Salesforce image 4. Select file. Change private to public and save. So both image has been uploaded in a static resource. Now go to the my developer console. Here I will create a Aura Lightning component. So go to the file, new, and select Lightning component. Write the name of the component. So my component name is static resource CMP. and enable all of the checkbox. Then submit. Now I will get the div. Before creating a div, I will use lightning card to the title, display the image, display image from static resource in Aura component. Inside the lightning card, I will create a div SLDS, SLDS T around medium. Here I am creating section H2 class equal to SLDS section underscore title. Copy the class name, paste and put action SLDS M bottom medium. So it will display the space on the bottom from H2 heading. Here I will create a strong and put the name of the title. So first I will display image from zip file. So image displaying from static resource zip file. So first I will display the image from zip file. Then I will display the image directly from zip file. Create a div class equal to SLDS grid, SLDS write, div class equal to SLDS call, SLDS size underscore 6 of 12, 4 of 12. Inside the div, I will display the image. So image src equal to curly bracket resource dollar resource. So dollar resource dot name of the zip file. So go to the static resource. Here I created zip file. So my zip file name is, this is the my zip file. So if you are opening, copy this name and put the name of the zip file plus single quote slash write the name of the image. So my image name is Salesforce image 1. Copy the image and put here and check the extension. This is a PNG file. So I will use .png. So first I create a image src. This is a dollar resource dot. This is the name of the zip and this is the name of the image. Here use the style equal to define the width and height. Width 250 and height 200 pixel. Save the component. Now I will create a lightning application, new and select lightning application. Write the name of the lightning application So my application name is static resource app and submit. Here I will call the lightning application. Here I will call the static resource component, this component, C colon, name of the component, and here I will use the stands equal to host colon SLDS. Save the application. Here is the option to preview the component. Click here. Here you can see the image is displayed from a static resource. Border is not display, so I will use the border. So use a class here. Class equal to image border BDR. Save the component. Copy the class name. Go to the style. There is an option to create a class name. And here dot this dot name of the class name. Here use the border 1 pixel solid. Save the file. This class will apply to the image. Replace the component. As you can see, border is coming here. If you border not display proper, use CCC or 666. Now border can visual. Border will be visual proper. So one image is displayed from static resource zip file. Now copy this div, paste below the div here and change the file name. So in the zip file I created two images. So first and second image into the zip file and third and fourth image I uploaded directly in static resource. So now I am changing the name of the image. In zip file is the same. This is the name of the zip and this is the name of the file. So now I am changing the image. Save and refresh. So here I display two images. It is a loading. You can see two image display from a static resource. Now another one section I will create and display image from directly in our component. So first I will create a section. Here I will create a section and image and title name is image display from a static resource direct. So here I will display image from direct static resource. Create div class SLDS grid SLDS wrap. Inside create a div class equal to this one SLDS call SLDS size 4 of 12. Here I will use image SRC image SRC equal to curly bracket name of the first I will use dollar resource dot this time I will display directly from a static resource. So in the static resource this is the image. It is a upload directly, not a zip file. So simply copy the name and paste the name of the file. This time I am using $resource dot name of the static resource name, this one. Now copy this div, paste here, and here I will change 4. So I created two image directly. So this is the image 4. Copy the name and paste here. You don't need to use extension of the image and you don't need to use the zip file because this is the image directly calling from static resource. Now save the component. Now go to the page and refresh. Here you can see both of image are here you can see both of image are displayed in our component, but size is more big. So let me call this style CSS here, paste, copy and paste here, save component and refresh the page. Both images are display proper size, but border is not display. So call this class into both of image, save and refresh the page. On the top, both image display from zip file and in the bottom, both image display from directly of static resource. So here you can see in the first section, I apply the zip image and then use the image of the name and extension. In the second section, I am using the static resource and calling the name of the static resource. In the another one section, I am creating image display from static resource URL. So here I will display the image from URL of a static resource. So let me copy this div and first I will display one image here. And go to the static resource and here static image 4. This is the view file. So if you click on the view file, image will be loaded directly on browser. So simply copy this URL, go to developer console and here pass the directory, remove all of the syntax and paste here. So in this way, I am displaying the image directly static resource of URL. So image, class name and src. In the src, I am passing the URL of the static resource and CSS will be same. Now save the component and refresh the page. So you can see image also display from a static resource, but this image display directly from URL. So in the first section, I created a zip. This is a zip file and this is the name of the image. In the second section, I am displaying the image from directly to the static resource. $resource dot name of the static resource. And in the last section, third section, I am applying the static resource URL to display the image from a static resource. So here, first section I will display from zip file. Second section I am displaying from a static resource name, and last section I am displaying directly from a static resource URL. So these are the way to display the static resource image into the Lightning Aura component. So friends, try to do from your side in your personal, or if you getting anything issue to display the image in your Lightning component, please write in comment box. And don't forget to check and subscribe my channel. Take Ravi 3 way. Thank you.